In today's video, I'm going to show you how to paint your 3D prints. If you don't have a multicolor printer, there are a few things you can do. You can do a filament change on a certain layer. You can use an acrylic paint set, but it takes a lot of practice to use the brush well, and you have to clean the brush, which is a little messy. An easier option is you can use Sharpie paint markers to paint your 3D printed models. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use these. Let's get started. If you never used a paint marker before, you shake it. Press hard enough so the tip goes in. And keep pressing until you see like a little yellow, or the tip turns yellow. Well, it turned yellow, so now I'm going to paint the Town Hall 8. I have to wait until the white dries before I put on the black. Don't forget to let the previous layer dry first, and then you can put on the second layer. You can wait a couple hours for the paint to dry, or you can use a food dehydrator, which will speed up the process. It's been like 30 minutes and they're dry, and I'm going to paint on the second layer now. It worked out pretty well. I'm going to put them up to the picture. In a future video, I'm going to show you an easy way how to change the filament at a certain layer. Please watch my videos for more tips, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!